好，这个鸡脚，
脚4个50，9个100。
好的。
要几个
？2个。
2个。
好的。
25。
好的。
谢谢。
谢谢。
还要什么
？Oh my gosh, I love garden, baby. Woo! Country 127, baby.
That lazy pirouette into your Let's just spin the slow to reality. Knocks it out. So innocent when we're sleeping. You're dreaming. Let's just engage to reality. As this way, shift and shake. How's fidelity? Don't need it. That will skip me. Finish me when I start not breathing. Dancing around that empty room. Let's sing again. Hit me with the innocent
Taiwan is a night city. So it's all about nighttime. Not a lot pops off during the day. At nighttime, everything is going. So it's 3 p.m. right now. I'm gonna go to Ximending. I can walk. It's only about 6 minutes walking from my hotel. I'm in a really, really beautiful hotel in the middle of Taipei. The taxis are cheap. That's something I learned. It took me about an hour to get here from the airport because the airport is about an hour away from the city. Oh, I see water. I love water. How cute is that bottle? It's like square. How cute. I'm very thirsty. But yeah, I had beef noodle soup at the airport in China. Ooh. Ooh, that's tasty. Oh, I'm just gonna explore. As somebody who's been everywhere, I love new territory. I love discovering new places I've never been before. So I want to go see the convenience store scene, and I want to go to the night markets and all that good stuff. But yeah, I was saying the taxis are cheap. It cost me 1,300 Taiwan dollars. And the ride was 1 hour and 10 minutes, and that's about $32, which would never happen in Japan. Never. In Japan, a taxi for about 1 hour is around $400. That's my view. And look at the mountains right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This looks like my first bubble tea, you guys, in the land of bubble tea. Yummy. Insane, you guys, insane. Oh my god. You guys, look at this restaurant. It says that this cat is the manager. Do a photo booth. I don't like it. So we're doing it again. We're going again. Because I didn't like the first one. You get to retake them though. It gives you a long time. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Another one. Look, it asks you if you want to retouch your nose. That is so messed up. Absolutely not, but I'm gonna redo it. Gosh, you guys. Yummy dragon fruit. Okay, gotta put the money in. Confirm. Chicken feet. Gizzards. You guys, I'm about to have some chicken feet. Ah, 这个几条？
脚4个50，9个100。
好的。
要几个
2个。
2个。
好的。
25。
好的。谢谢。Look at these jammies. Taipei is a vibe. Pineapple kids are known for this. Known for that. They're known this kick. They're shots.
，OK，先生第一步，双手抱膝，好，不要乱站哦。第二步，双手帮我打开。
Something about a dog. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm back in the hotel. I'm about to eat my snacks. I got myself an onigiri from 7-Eleven. This one is the seafood one. And I got papaya milk. I really want to try the papaya milk. What the heck was that? Right now, so I can tell you guys how it tastes. I'll probably take a sip or two and put it in the fridge. Let's see how the papaya, they had everything milk. Apple milk. Stop! Oh my gosh, that's so good. Mmm. Ooh. You guys, I'm back in my hotel. Oh, how cool is that? You guys, my Taiwan box is now available on my website. If you didn't have the opportunity to get my Japan box, you can now get my Taiwan box. It won't be available as long as my Japan box was because I won't be in Taiwan for that long. But if you're interested, Taiwan, you guys, has the cutest and most delicious snacks. I was in Dorito heaven today. They have the coolest Doritos, you guys. Look at this spicy chicken flavor, spicy garlic flavor. They've just got everything. They make everything so cute and the stuff is delicious. I put the pineapple cakes in there in the box, which Taiwan is famous for, and some beauty stuff. This is a heated eye mask. How cute. It's Kinomi. Delicious chocolates, just like a bunch of delicious snacks. Again, each box will look a little different because I'll be making them, you know, myself. So it'll be like a little surprise, but I will put delicious stuff in there and it's now available. If you want snacks from Taiwan, you can order my Taiwan snack box. Now available on my website, an amazing way for you guys to support my goal of visiting every country in the world. And also just get yourself something delicious and really, really exciting. Yeah, Taiwan, like I said, has the most delicious snacks, just like Japan. And it's all adorable and freaking delicious, may I add. So go grab yourself snacks from Taiwan. And I'll put cute stuff in each one. Each one will look a little bit different and you will get a little personalized box of goodies from Taiwan from me to you. So linked below, now available on MaryjanesWorldTour.com, my website.